Christmas, guys. Gising na mga bata. Merry Christmas. Where's Holly? Merry Christmas, yeah. Yun na siya. Merry Christmas, Holly.
Merry Christmas.
Where's Daddy? Sit down on the couch.
Oh yeah, nothing.
Merry Christmas.
He's ready.
Merry Christmas. Ito na ata yung pinaka.
Go, Holly.
Holly.
Oh,
Where is yours, Holly? Where's Holly? Oh, that's mine. Okay.
Oh yeah. Couldn't see.
Okay. Kuya, here, come on.
Can I?
okay.
Is that one of her?
Yes.
It's a very,
It's a baby doll.
it's a reborn doll. A baby.
I wanted one of these, Mom.
Did you?
I wished for it.
You wish for that?
I don't know what this is already.
Footy.
Sit down.
Where's the footy?
Did you? What's in the card, Zach?
Where's the card sack?
Oh, fell off.
Where's
Yeah.
the card?
Wait, no, not that one, the other one. Cool, feel it.
Merry Christmas.
Feel it.
What's on the note?
Read it. Read out loud, please.
Merry Christmas. Oh, no, let's go. 339.
39. No, that's not 39.
Okay, Merry Christmas. For you is in the farm shed. Go and check it out.
Farm shed.
Hey,
Not
wait,
yet.
not yet.
Hang
Let
on.
Holly.
Tucked away. Yeah, just open them up, Bob.
I can't.
You can.
And both hand.
Yeah. Open the box. Turn the box
No,
over.
he's gonna go bounce it.
Turn the box over.
I think he's coming out. A diaper.
Well, and diaper.
A baby bottle and a dubby. Two dubbies.
And there is birth. I think that's
First two.
birth certificate. You're gonna put the name on Baba. And look, there is.
Yeah.
Look, there is like in the hospital.
I think
Open.
this talks and that now cries.
Can you open it, Baba?
Hey, what's this?
Oh, that's Zachary. This is from Mommy and Daddy.
$100.
Wow.
Wait, this one's the new one. Isn't it?
Yeah, that's from Mommy and Daddy.
Why?
These batteries.
Because
Heavy, baby, darling.
you can buy the one you want from Kmart.
Oh, alright, I'll go grab this one. Okay.
No, it.
Oh, yeah, you do
Oh, there's
it.
floats.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome. Oh, Daddy, go there, Daddy, because that's
This
your
is going to be
stove.
interesting, mate. I'm really excited to see what this is.
That's from Mommy and Dad. From Mommy. Go there, Holly.
Okay, go grab some of this.
That's my gift for you. Go there. Open it.
Is this that one?
Yeah. Open it.
First I thought it was a
What?
Golf GPS, but
Why you like golf GPS? GPS?
You can watch YouTube on this.
No, you.
What's that?
What's
That's
it?
karaoke.
Is it karaoke? But you're not happy. That's a karaoke like Tita Merce.
yeah, I know.
Yeah, it looks. You don't want it.
What do you reckon, kids? Who's going to sing first?
Can you get my another hand?
The what?
Get my phone there. Hurry up.
Dad, can you go with
You have fun.
Yeah, my phone.
Was that one on TikTok?
No. How's your baby, Baba?
Good.
Huh?
Okay, I'm just gonna rip the box.
Huh? It's freezing. Put the heater on. Kuya, can you get my phone?
Thank you.
I think it's in the... I left it. I left it. I think it's on the chair. I think. Is it there? Oh my God. Is it Daddy? Answer it for me.
Hello? Yeah?
Merry Christmas, Kuya. Merry Christmas. Kuya got a new phone. Merry Christmas. Huh? Is that what you really want? Huh?
Like what kind?
What about Daddy?
Who's got that?
Dad, from Mommy and Daddy.
I'm gonna find it.
Come find what?
Please,
I said on the
Where
chair.
is it? I thought it was on the table.
Chair, I
I
said.
have one in.
Yeah, no, that's your charger. You just got to get a cord in it.
Is that iPhone?
But that's yours, so.
Is it an iPhone 14?
No.
So
Baba, Merry, Kuya.
What do you say? Thank you. Hug.
Oh, now you're gonna sit on that
there's
old
mine.
man.
Oh, how do you put a password on it? I don't want to
It's a shaky now. I'm so
No, I
jealous.
just don't want
No,
password.
just a number one card.
Here's the one.
That's your baby, Baba. Put the dummy.
Security. Nice password.
There's a dress there, Baba. You can dress her up. We have to.
And then what?
Yeah. Get one
I'm gonna
dummy.
change her diaper first. She must have
Nap,
been in-
put the dummy.
Yeah, we will.
Get the dummy first. Ayan guys, oh, yung newborn.
What dummy should I think I wanna do?
This one na lang.
I love this one.
Did you think it was your phone? No.
That's it. They want you don't. It's just
I thought it was Mom's.
you thought it was mine.
Cover food's me.
Let Zach feel, Kuya.
I think he did when I went. Cheese.
Are you happy for Kuya TJ, Zach? Sort
Yeah,
of.
we want cheese. No.
No.
Whoa.
Oh, we need to put battery, Baba. So para marinig natin yung heartbeat niya.
No, not this one.
Kaso,
She doesn't have
gusto ko sana niyan is yung bumubuka yung mata. Hindi ko alam kung bakit yan ang pinadala. Kasi may pwedeng i-check mo dun. May checklist dun na gusto mong may heartbeat tsaka nakabuka yung mata.
Right now, you have to go.
Where's
You
the
just think about it and remember it every single time.
He wrote it on mine.
Isak, hindi pa na, wala pa yung kanya. Ano na, Baba? You're good?
Are you gonna get on it?
Gusto ko sana ito yung bumubuka yung mata. Nag-email ako sa kanila. Or baka pwede lang. Ewan ko, hindi ko alam. Basta ang alam ko, yung open, close ang pinili ko. Nakalagay kasi doon, open, close, eyes, and heartbeat.
Does it?
Yeah, bihisan niya.
We're gonna go to the farm shed
Na, why?
because he said
3, 6.
Who said?
Go
What?
to the shed.
Mom, my baby has clothes.
Tingnan nyo guys, ang cute niya, no? Parang totoong baby. Sorry.
I can wake
No
up.
one's just looking at this, Mum.
Huh?
No one's looking at this.
No one looking. Looking to my gift.
Yeah, that's yours now, Mom.
Baba, you can sing there, right, Baba? Siniset up lang nila yung phone ni Kuya.
I know that.
Tingnan niyo ang kanyang skin sa paa. Same sa kanyang kamay, oh. Parang newborn talaga siya.
And now for the socks.
Yeah.
The fuzzy duffy socks. I wish I could came with shoes. But this one's going to be the water where I'm going to fill up water in this. This is where the milk's going to be. Because it has a tap.
Okay. Ready na ang baby niya maki-party mamaya.
You ready for some potty? Oh yeah, she can't talk yet.
I think it's too big for you. It's a big. May kinuha siyang backpack. Yung backpack pa to ni Holo nung maliit na maliit pa siya. Ayan, magiging nappy bag na ng
And
baby.
she is different. Mom, be quiet.
Tulog ang baby niya. Hindi pa rin sila tapos. Nagda-download kasi si Kuya ng ibang apps. Nakakonect siya kay daddy niya. Lagyan niya na yung bottles.
First I need it.
Dad, can we go to the shed?
Ayan na yung ano,
Dad, can we go to the shed?
Feel that.
pram.
Feel that. Hold on, Baba. I'll pass. Zach, look at the car over and I'll spin it to you.
Yan niya yung baby niya.
That's better.
You got your PJs in
Go to
the...
the shed, Dad. On the seat.
There's nothing in there.
What do you mean?
Well, I don't know what you get.
Go car. That's what I want. That's what I've been wanting for ages. Sure.
It's too cold.
Oh yeah, Sam, I thought we were getting a cricket bat set. Dad.
Could be one of them.
No, it's a basketball.
I don't know.
I do know. Because why would I get a basketball and then say go to the shed?
We get a basketball and go to school.
That's that.
Freshy, look at that.
Now my phone number. That's
Yeah.
good. You should try.
I know, because I made that one. Siniset up pa rin ni Kuya yung... Ay, hindi namin sila. Nagda-download sila ng iba pang apps. Nagda-download sila ng ibang apps. Good?
This is the right side. This is where you put this stuff.
Why can't I go to sleep last night?
Hi.
Yes.
Alagang-alaga niya ang baby niya. Oh. You can go out now for a walk, Baba.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Oh yes, we're seeing Hunter.
Ang cute.
And yes, I get to see Willow, so Willow can push. Wait.
Ang
I don't think that's what you bring
cute.
it around.
Wow.
What?
You babe. Ever, yeah.
Was that actually for Mum?
I always give you clothes, but you never likes it.
Mum, that was one.
Anything, even this one.
Mum, that's my
Back scratches, like,
So,
That's my present for you.
guys, walang, ini-ignore nila yung regalo ko sa kanila. Sabi ni Jan, good thing you got that one for you to practice your singing daw. So, kung hindi ako kakanta, kayo ang kakanta nito. Oh, no. Go open it, Zaggy boy.
Not really.
You like? You like it?
Where's the book?
Ano? Why?
How much was it?
How much? Tinatanong niya nung kung magkano to.
Mine.
Huh?
Mine paid for the iPad for the
Huh?
iPad for to transfer my TikTok.
Sina-charge muna ni Sak yung ating karaoke. And yung dalawang, yung mag-ama.
TikTok.
Oh, nagda-download si Kuya ng TikTok. I-follow niya si Kuya.
App not to charge.
Yeah.
Charging.
I won't charge.
Wow!
Ladies.
That one, there's two.
Ito tayo ng shed. And si Holly, my baby, kasama.
Kasama. Just bring
Kasama.
this just in case. Hopefully it's an indoor cricket set.
Ang ginigas nila, what are you guess?
Basketball, but I think an indoor cricket set like that.
Indoor cricket kay Kuya, si Sak basketball daw. Ang pangit ng weather, guys. Sobrang lamig. Or is it? Nasaan yun? Ay, ang ganda! Yes! Wow! What you gonna say to Father Christmas? Can hear you? What you gonna say to Father Christmas? Thank you, who? Hoy, Sak! I can't hear you. Hoy! Hoy! Sak! Sak! What you gonna say to Father Christmas?
Thank you, Father Christmas.
Kuya, what you gonna say to Father Christmas? Where's your phone? Why do you have boxes dahan? Wow, Zaki boy. Naging basketball court yung shed. Wow. Diba? Are you happy, Zach? Is that the one you really like? Kuya? So, ito yung pinagkakabisihan ni Jan dito. Yan yung mga boxes ko pa, guys, na madami pa tayong paninda. Ah, baka ito na yung aking ano. Ah, hindi. May hinahanap ako na hindi ko makita-kita. Korean, ha? Saan kaya yun? Hindi ko mahanap yung Gucci, guys. May ano ako, may Gucci akong bago na nasa Gucci bag pa. You really love your baby. Wala pa kayong pangalan sa baby niya. Pero yung, nung pinili ko to, may pangalan siyang nakalagay. Pero ewan ko kung bakit wala dun sa birth certificate niya. Ang cute to. Tingnan niyo, parang may mga fine lines ng ano, pagiga niya.
Look at that hair.
I know. Naka-paint lang yung hair niya.
That's good.
Yeah. Yung dalawa, enjoy na enjoy. Pati si Daddy, enjoy na enjoy dito. May nahanap akong bag, hindi ko makita, guys. Akala ko nandito. Baka nandun sa kabilang, shed. Doon sa bahay. Sa shed ni Jan. Aww. Oh, the arm. Aww.
Be careful.
Oh. We should buy, I should buy you a carrier.
Carry it so I can.
Like you can have free hands while carrying her. Ang lakas ng hangin at saka ulan, guys, kung maririnig niyo. He got it. Well done. Almost, yeah, almost. Thanks, Father Christmas. Uwi na
Left me
tayo.
hanging.
Pero matagal din kami dito. Mga 20-25 minutes.
Hold the door.
Hold the door, Dad.
Hold the door, Zach.
Hold the door, Mom.
Okay.
Hold the door, Holly.
Oh, not Holly. Ang cute ni Holly kasi tinatakpan niya yung ulo ng bata kasi umuulan. I know, it's cold. Yeah, ayan pala yung pinagkainan ni Santa Claus.
It's red.
Ayan si Jan, binabalatan niya na yung prawns. And ako dito, kinakalikot natin yung ating bagong karaoke. Kaya hindi tayo marunong kumanta. And si Kuya, nasa phone. Si Zach, PS, si Holly, nasa phone habang pinapatulog ang bata. Merry Christmas! Ha?
Put a little bit of salt on it.
Let me see. Ayan na yung nabalatan niya. Nice, huh? She's getting ready. Ayan, nakabili siya ng butter. Where do you get the butter from, Han? Kylie. Kasi sarado ang mga shop.
Yeah, put it in.
Where?
Inside there, Han. Umiiyak ng baby mo, Papa.
She's crying.
I know.
Where's it going now?
Bagong opera si baby. Si baby. Ayan. Wala pa siyang name. Pinag-iisipan pa ni Holly. So, ipasok muna natin.
I want to call it Violet.
Violet? It's up to you.
Yeah, I'm calling it Violet.
Violet. Violet. Violet daw ang pangalan niya. Magprito na ako ng, Magprito na ako ng spring rolls. Si Kuya, oh. Phone. Yeah. Uy. Si Holly, enjoy din siya sa dal niyang umiiyak at tumatawa. Pati ang daddy. Sabi ng daddy, tama na ha, tama na. Ito na yung last batch ng spring rolls. And ito yung mga naluto natin. So, 60 pieces. I think, yeah. Tingnan niya si Holly.
Look.
Hawak ni baby si
And look at
Moshi.
that. Look at that machine.
Oh!
Wait.
Ay, yeah. Talian ko muna siya. Si Moshi, hawak-hawak ni
She doesn't
baby.
want to let go.
Mm-hmm.
If I take her away, she'll cry.
Okay.
Because I think I do want you next to me.